Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. So, children, in this period, we are going to do maths and we are going to continue with the tables. Yesterday, we did table of 4 and 5. Today, yesterday we did 5 and 6. Today, we will do 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We will do table of 7 and 8. So, I told you before, to do these sums, you have to learn the tables very nicely. If you know the tables, you'll be able to do it very fast and it will take no time for you all to understand multiplication. So today I hope you know the table of 7. We have learnt it in class 1 itself, but let's revise, and if you don't know, learn it so that you will be able to do it very fast. Okay. 1 7s or 7 1s. It is 7. All will take out page number 121 of your semester books. We are doing it on page number 121 of your semester books. 1 7s 7 or 7 1s 7. 2 7s or 7 2s. Both are same. 14. 3 7s or 7 3s. Both are same. 21. 4 7s or 7 4s. 28. 5 7s or 7 5s. 35. 6 7s or 7 6s. 42. 7 7s 49. 8 7s or 7 8s. 56. Then 9 7s or 7 9s. 63. 10 7s or 7 10s. 70. So children, let's repeat the table of 7 once again for quick your recap. 7 1s 7. 7 2s 14. 7 3s 21. 7 4s 28. 7 5s 35. 7 6 42, 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 9 63 and 7 10 70. So write this in your boxes fast. I hope you have written. Now the next question down there is write the answers using table of 7. Count by 7s from 7 to 70. This is like skip counting of 7. You have to write the answers of your table of 7. So down you will write this way. Write the answers. 7 is written in your book. You will write 14, 21, 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. So in your boxes, you will write like this table of 7. Table of 7, you will write this way in your boxes. Okay. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. This is how you will write. This is how you will write. Count table of 7. This is table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and 7 10s are 70. Down there here one word problem is given. In that let us understand how. There are 7 days in 1 week. 1 week. How many days are there? 7 days. What is he asking? How many days are there in 4 weeks? In 4 weeks, how many days? We will multiply 7 into 4. Then we will get how many days. So, 4 into 7 or 7 into. What is the answer? 28 days. So, how many days? 28 days. In 1 week, we will have, in 4 weeks, we will have 28 days. 1 week, 7 days. 4 weeks, how much? We have to multiply. We have to multiply. Then last question is given. Find the product. Find the product. Product also, if you know tables, you will be able to do it very fast with no difficulty. First is 1, 7. 7 ones are, what is the answer? 7. See, if you know the table, it is very easy. The next is 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Then next is 2 into 7. 7 twos are 14. Children, you have to learn the tables to answer, I am telling you. 5 into 7. 7 fives are 35. Then 3 into 7. 7 threes are 21. Then 8 into 7. 7 eights are 56. Understood? You know the table, you will be able to do it very fast. See, 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 7 fives are 35. 7 threes are 21. 7 eights are 56. Clear to all of you? So I hope this page you are clear and you are clear with table of 7. If you are perfect in tables, you will be clear. Now, page number 122. Take out page number 122. We will do next table of 8. Complete the table of 8. Let us complete. Now you have to learn, for this you should know the table of 8. If you know the table of 8, you will be able to do this very clearly. Let us revise if you don't know. 1 into 8 or 8 into 1. What is 8 ones are? 8. 2 into 8 or 8 into 2. 8 twos are or 2 eights are? Yes, 16. 3 into 8 or 8 into 3. What is the answer? 24. 8 threes are 24. 4 into 8 or 8 into 4. What is the answer? 32. 5 into 8 or 8 into 5. What is the answer? 40. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 6 into 8 or 8 into 6. What is the answer? 48. 7 into 8 or 8 into 8 sevens are. What is the answer? 56. 8 eights are 64. Then 9 into 8 or 8 into 9. What is the answer? 72. Then 10 into 8 or 8 into 10. Answer will be 80. So 6 eights are 48, 7 eights are 56, 8 eights are 64, 9 eights are 72 and 10 eights are 80. Okay, all of you got it? So this is table of 8. This is table of 8. Now count by 8. 8. Skip counting of 8. How will you write the answers? You will write the answers of table of 8. You will write the answers of table of 8. So for this, repeat the table of 8 and tell me the answers. 8. First is 8. 8 ones are 8. Next, 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. So you will write there in the boxes this way. Skip counting of 8. Table of 8. Table of 8. Down in that boxes, you will write the answers this way. You will write the answers this way. I hope you have understood. You will write the answers of table of 8. 8 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7s are, 8s are, 9s are, 10s. This is how you are going to write. Now next there is one word problem given. Let us discuss that word problem. What is he given? Rahul is 4-year-old. Rahul is 4 years old. How many years? 4 years old. His father is 8 times older than him. So how much is his father's age? 8 times he is older. 8 times बड़ा है. राहुल 4 years का है. उसके पापा 8 बार बड़े हैं. That means you have to multiply that by 8. You have to multiply that by 8. Age of father. 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32. That means his father is how many years old? 32 years old. 32 years old. His father is 32 years old. Now last part is we have to find the product. Again here you have to learn the tables. If you learn the table, you will be able to do this very easily and very nicely. First thing is he gave 9 8s or 8 9s. What is 8 9s? Tell me. It is 72. It is 72. The next is what? 6 8s or 8 6s. What is the answer? 8 6s is 48. 8 6s is 48. See children, if you know the tables, you will be able to do it very fast. You should learn the tables. Nothing in multiplication, only tables. Learn tables 2 to 10, you will be able full marks in multiplication. So please learn tables. It will be helpful throughout your life. Next, 1 8s. 1 into 8. Yeah, 8 into 1. It is 8. It is 8. Then 5 into 8. 8 5s. What is 8 5s? 40. 8 5s is 40. Then next is 3 into 8 or 8 3s. What is 8 3s? 24. 8 3s is 24. Then 2 into 8. What is 8 2s? 8 2s is 16. So this is called product. This is called product. When you multiply and write the answer, it is called product. It is called product. What you are writing this? They are saying find the product. This is the product. This is the product. When you multiply and write the answer, it is called product. 8 9s are 72. 8 6s are 48. 8 1s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. And 8 2s are 16. I hope you all have understood this, and we are over with table of 8. So by now you must be perfect with table of 8. Tomorrow we will do table of 9 and 10, and with this we will end the tables. So till today's homework, learn table till 8. Table till 8. Homework is, but today learn tables of 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Today learn tables of 7 and 8. Tomorrow we will do 9 and 10. Hope you understood it. So revise table and do it. Till then, bye, goodbye. Take care and God bless you.